Oh, hello there! Do you still remember the story of Peles?
Aha!
Marge!
Hi, Joji. Did you draw all these?
Yeah, I did. I wanted to make a different version of the story.
A different version?
Yes, I'm going to be changing the ending of the story.
Change the ending?
You will see. But first, I will need your help.
Okay, what is it?
Will you arrange these? I still need to get the last picture for the ending.
Sure. Help me arrange these, okay?
Great! I will need the right arrangement so the ending will make sense.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Okay, let's do this. Which of these pictures should go first? There's asking for seeds from Hugo, waiting for seeds to grow, passing by Hugo's farm, and planting the seeds. Right, passing by Hugo's farm happened first. So this should go first. Next, Pella's asking for seeds from Hugo. So we should put this next to the first pictures. Okay, 2 more. Which is next? Yes, planting the seeds. And of course, this is the last one. He is waiting for the seeds to sprout. Looks like we are done arranging these pictures. Joji said he will change the ending of the story. I wonder how he will end it. In the original story, Pelis's tomato seeds sprouted, but he got sick. I wonder how Joji will end it. How do you think it will end? I was thinking of the same thing.
Hi.
Hello, Joji. I arranged the pictures according to the story.
Wow, thank you. Let's see. Passing by Hugo's farm, asking for seeds from Hugo, planting the seeds, and waiting for the seeds to grow.
So, how will you end the story?
Here. After seeing that the seeds did not grow, Peles gave up. He left them there and didn't bother taking care of them. So, when the rainy days came, he had nothing to eat.
Aww, that's a sad ending.
You don't like it?
Well, it sounds okay, but I'd rather have a happy ending.
How about you change the ending of the story?
That's a great idea. I will change the ending of the story you just made. I just need a paper and a marker.
I think I have some more papers and markers over there. How about you? How would you end the story?